How's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the main board on an SM-R820 watch. So let's begin. First, I like to add some heat to make sure I loosen up the glue underneath the back housing. Don't heat it up too much, just enough to just get the glue a little bit loose. Next, I like to use the 3-point screwdriver, the 2.0 by 25mm screwdriver, which you can purchase on our website. I like to unscrew the 4 screws. Next, I like to use this flat-headed screwdriver just to pry it up a little bit, and then I like to use it's plastic pry tool, any type of plastic pry tool, just to not scratch up the edges. So I like to lift it up slightly, and then I like to put that pry tool right in there and just work my way around. Right, and then what we can do is we can also, there's a ribbon. Make sure not to pull up the back housing really hard because you will rip the ribbon for the HR sensor. So I like to pry it up slowly so it doesn't rip it, and then I just like to use this pry tool to unhook the ribbon. Let's set that aside, make sure the 4 screws are there. And in order to get the main board, we'll have to take apart the LCD ribbon, the speaker ribbon, the depth sensor ribbon, the button ribbon, and the mic ribbon. So let's go ahead and start taking them apart. Then I like to use the flat-headed screwdriver and just work my way out with the housing. Which is really good. We'll set the screen aside. And I like to use the Phillips screwdriver. There's a screw that you will have to unscrew. Next, we'll have to take apart this button here. You have to pry underneath the button, just pick it up, and then the board should just pop right out. So we're gonna get the replacement board. The battery's good and everything else is good, so we're gonna get the replacement board, put it back on there, clip it on, make sure where the screw is gonna go, and that is the way the board's gonna go. And then put the button ribbon back in. Use the Phillips screwdriver, screw the screw back in. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate these ribbons. So when we place the board and battery down into the screen, so to where it's supposed to be, the ribbons don't fall underneath and break the ribbons or anything. So now we just plug everything back on. Before doing anything else, I like to check to make sure the watch is functioning good. And while you wait, you can always drink a cup of coffee. Refreshing. Awesome, so the screen booted up, the unit booted up, and now we're just gonna check to see if it's a good main board. It's unlocked, ready to pair. Awesome, so now we're gonna just power it off. And we're gonna plug the ribbon back on. And since this one already has a really good seal, I don't need to put glue around the seal. But if the seal is broken anywhere, you will have to add the 704 glue in order to seal it back together and make sure that it's water resistant as it should be. We do sell this glue on our website, which works amazing. Done full tests on this glue, and it's the best out there on the market for repairability wise. And now we just clip it in and take a 3-point screwdriver, screw back the 4 screws. And that is how you replace the main board on an SM-R820 watch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.